Woman viciously taken out by her ex-lover in what is said to be a love that went sour. Hi again and welcome to Links W7 TV. Let's talk. We're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links W7 TV. Let's talk. Well, this situation I'm about to talk about right now is not new. It's just one in a series of many. And this one has ended the life of yet another female. And this incident took place in the breadbasket of Jamaica, St. Elizabeth to be exact. Now, let me divulge some details as it relates to what transpired in this case, as the story is just familiar as many other that I've spoken about on numerous occasions. So whenever a relationship went sour and these individuals see that they have invested their time, their cash, they believe that it's their right to have the female despite what challenges the relationship is going through. And they always try what they can in order to make that female life as miserable and as tormented as much as possible. Now another fatal domestic dispute has rocked the nation after a woman was allegedly stabbed by her ex-lover in Brompton, St. Elizabeth on Thursday, and that would have been yesterday. The deceased has been identified as 49-year-old Hilariette Stevenson, a domestic helper of Top Hill in the parish. Her attacker is said to be the man with whom she once shared an intimate relationship, remains on the run. Police reports are that Stevenson was heading to work when she was approached by the man. An argument later developed between the two former lovers, and a knife was reportedly used to inflict wounds to the female body. The attacker fled the scene. The wounded individual was taken to hospital, and that would have been the female, where she was pronounced dead. And the police is probing the incident based on the fact that this relationship would have ended between the two, and it is said that he wanted her back, and we don't know what really transpired between both of them that caused the relationship to have gone this sour. However, this individual was not having it, and now he has taken out this female and is currently on the run. We have seen situations such as these played out in numerous circumstances, and we have seen love triangles being played out, and we have seen how these have ended the lives of many females. And we don't like what is going on. I'm telling you, point blank, it's just sad, because when a relationship ended, we really don't know what transpired between the two, but taking the individual life or the female life, it is not worth it, because at the end of the day, it's not like you're gonna be able to have that female, because you're gonna be on the run right now, and the police are gonna be looking for you, and you're gonna be charged with a crime. I know most of the time these individuals would have invested their time, their money, and I'm gonna be fair. Most of the time, these females, they don't really want to have a relationship with these males. They just want the money from them. And at times when they see that they have gotten enough of what they would have wanted from the male, then they just push them to the curves. And that is wrong. We have seen it being played out in more than one instances. I've seen an individual that was with a relationship with a male some time ago, and this was a domestic dispute that also ended the life of the female. She had a relationship with the male, and she had 5 children that was allegedly for her partner. When some DNA tests were done, it was found out that 4 of the children were not his, and he has been taking care of these children for around 20 years. And he got so enraged that he could not hold it, and he just decided that he gonna end her life, and he did it, right? So you have to be mindful of that. I'm not saying that they have the right to do what they're doing, because I believe it's totally wrong. But females as well, you have a part to play in this, and you know what you're doing, you know what you're getting yourself involved with. Are these individuals, you must would have known their background or something about them. You must have known how violent they can be, and you must know what level to take your relationship to. When it's time to call it quits, when it's time to know yourself and be mindful of what is going on around you, because you're putting yourself at risk, you're putting others' life at risk as well, especially when you use these males and you end the relationship and you just keep them to the curves. Same thing with the males as well. I'm not saying only female use males, male use females as well, but the females are not taking it to the extent where they are taking the lives of the male. So we have to just focus on what is really going on, and that's the issue of domestic violence between male and female, in which the males are taking out the females whenever the relationship ends. So you have to be cognizant of that fact, and also be very careful, especially when you get yourself involved in certain domestic situation that you know can turn violent, because most of the time these female, they know that this situation can become very deadly and also unbearable for them, and they still venture on that part, and sometimes this is what it results in. All right, I'm gonna leave this one here for now anyway. Just thanks for watching Link 007 TV. Let's talk. This was a short one, just an update on an incident that took place in St. Elizabeth. But females, you have to be extremely careful and just be very mindful of your surrounding and the people that you get entangled with. All right, I'm out for now. Peace.